Hello and welcome to the ShiftSetGo cooking show. Today we are going to be making chocolate chip donuts. Yes, you can have these when you are on our program. You can have chocolate chip donuts. And we're going to make those for you right now. It's really easy. First, you're going to set your oven to 350 degrees. You're going to go ahead and spray a little donut tin with some Pam. Don't want to have them sticking. So first we're going to take the dry ingredients. So we've got our ShiftSetGo pancake mix. This is our chocolate chip pancake mix. Just one of these packets, there's 7 in there. And then we're going to take the chocolate wafers right here, one of these little packets in here, and you're going to grind that up. You can put it in a food processor or something, or you can just take and put it in some paper towels and whack it a little bit, and it'll get down to this nice consistency right here. So we're going to get those all mushed together nice. Then we're going to take an egg and some water. We're going to mix those up really well. I need to add the baking soda in here. We can't forget that. We have flat donuts. Nobody wants a flat donut. All right, easy enough, right? So now we're going to take the wet and the dry, mix them together. Nice and good. We don't want any lumps in here, so you're going to have to give it a little bit of time. Not that much time, but a little bit. Get it nice. And I'll show you, we're going to take this and we're going to pop some of this in here like so. I'll just do a couple of these for you here. I'm going to pop these in the oven on 350 degrees. And they're going to be in there for about 8 minutes or until they're golden brown. When they're done, you want to see what they look like? Here we go. This is what they look like. Also, I have a little suggestion for you. We have a bunch of great things you can top them with in our shop. We have a lot of these Walden Farms things that are yummy, yummy, yummy. We have some pancake syrup mix. You can pour a little of that on top. We also have Walden Farms marshmallow dip. Put a little bit of that on top. You got yourself a winner. Thanks for coming. Have a great day. See you next time.